Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best forex brokers in Uganda. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Uganda, a country in East Central Africa, is driven by agriculture, mining, and processing. Uganda has an export income that is generated from coffee, oil re-exports, base metals, and more. Trading forex is allowed in Uganda, as to conduct business, currency must be exchanged, and is an integral part of import, export, and investing internationally. Finding the best forex broker in Uganda can be a difficult process, so in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best forex brokers in Uganda. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education with Alpari. At number 4 is Robo Forex. Robo Forex Group was founded in 2009 with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, Robo Forex offers services and specializes in trading through forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as Robo Forex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, R Trader, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on ProCent and Pro Standard accounts. Robo Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which features forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started, a wide range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with Robo Forex. At number 3, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker which was founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 2 on our list, we have Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platform for accounts is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, as well as Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour, 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, various guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education through Oanda. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Uganda, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US's Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own Trader Workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual joint and family accounts to small business accounts, advisor accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Uganda on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.